Okay, Inzwaga, my guy. Today I'm just bringing to you this information, guy. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, that's up to you, guy. Hatiri kunzwa muna noti hey kunzoka kuna MaBasa hey what and it because the chokwadi, the truth of the matter is MaBasa ariko and it's only you who is supposed to make that happen. You understand what I mean? What am I saying? Guys, there are many ways that are there that you can use with a say in this era that we are living. Okay. In this era that we are living in right now, there are many ways that you can use to get money, right? There is what we call online platforms that you can use to start generating money, right? Even if from the comfort of your house, at your own time, on usingaite zvese zvekustresseka kuti hey and also fake for money and bus and what. There are many ways to make money, guys. That is only if you are dedicated and you really want to make a change of your life. So in this era, guys, I would suggest for you guys to try online platforms. If you don't know which ones are these, you can try to make use of Facebook. I'm sure all of us, we are on Facebook for different reasons. Most of us, we go there for entertainment. We go there just to, get time, see different people, communicate and so forth. But, some of us, we are there to make money. If you are on Facebook to make money, you really know how to get that money. You're not there to get entertained. You spend 3 hours, 4 hours, you're there just looking at people's updates and so forth, but you are there to create those updates that people will be looking at. And it's quite unfortunate that in Zimbabwe you can't use Facebook unless you have opened your account maybe in another country where Facebook is monetized, like South Africa. There are some people who would like ask someone to open an account for them, like in South Africa, in their name. Then they will be doing whatever they're doing by putting on that account. As long as it's opened in South Africa, that account you can run it in Zimbabwe as long as it's opened in South Africa. Okay. So if it's in that case, with Facebook, you just need to have more viewers, like you have more followers, become viral. We've got the likes of Taiti, Kiki, we have the likes of the Nyatis, you know what happened. You see, if you see people putting more focus or more effort in something, like it's good to always ask yourself, why are these people putting more effort in this thing? It will tell you that they are getting paid. So we can't really say there are no jobs out there. There are many jobs, guys. There are many jobs. The main jobs are there online. You just need to sit down to eat, think of what you want to do. A lot of people are talented, like in terms of comedy. You might have it in you. You don't even know that you have got something that you could actually do and which could actually inspire someone out there. And people would like to watch whatever you do. You don't need much, guys. You only need your phone, a phone with a good camera, or just rather a camera at first. If you have a camera, you can be creating content, guys. And when you create your content, upload your content, you never know, people would like your content. Once they like your content, they start sharing, they start following whatever you upload. Once you do that, guys, and you become popular, you're gonna do some reels. When you get to maybe 5,000 followers on Facebook, you're still getting more likes, shares. You could actually get some ad reels that would give you money. You see, you could get those that would give you more money. And with Facebook, that's mostly on ads. As as more people watch your content, you get to be paid. And then we can also look at YouTube. YouTube now for Zimbabwean, YouTube is, I think, one of the best in Zimbabwe. If you are doing YouTube, I've got the likes of Freds, Donzo, those people who are doing content creation. They're doing content creation, especially in Zimbabwe. They're using YouTube to make money. You've got more subscribers on YouTube, then you get to get endorsements because of your followership. You see, you get to advertise people's things on your platforms. It's only if you give in, guys, to say I'm gonna work towards having a good follower base, then once you have that follower base, it all depends on what kind of content you are creating. But just be creative, create your content using your phone without anything, guys. All these other things, they may follow later, guys, but you just need to have a phone with a camera that you could take, share some content. When you share some content, then you get likes, shares, people watch. All those who are doing adverts businesses, they would see potential in you. They would see that you're getting good followership. Then they would start to advertise through you. Then you would start making money, guys. So there is no one who should say there are no jobs out there. There are many jobs, and the jobs are there online. You just need to put yourself into it, think of what to do, think of what creativity you can come up with, and then just put it into action. Once you put it into action, you're gonna make money, and you're gonna make lots of money. Trust me, you're gonna make lots of money. We know we are so creative, but you just need to, try to unveil that creativity in you and then put it into action. Once you put it into action, I'm pretty much sure that you are going to make money. And forget kuti kunishinonze namo and it. Right, that is all I'm gonna say for today. I'll give you more later, guys. This is your boy Tinashe ZW, and if you want to watch more of my content, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tinashe ZW or my Facebook Tinashe Mgore. Just go and follow me. I will be sharing more and more content that would probably help you grow your channels and so forth, because I'm doing some research into it. So if you want to grow, let's grow together, guys. Let's grow together. This is your boy Tinashe ZW signing out.